Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the VU project root, open a terminal, and make sure the binary and sources are ready. Compile with G and disable optimization so symbols map to source. This makes breakpoints reliable. Once done, locate the executable path and any runtime arguments you'll need. If the process is already running, note its PID for attach. You do this now to ensure GDB can resolve files and line numbers. Skip generic setup and get straight to You launch GDB with the binary and any args, or attach to a PID if needed. This starts the control loop for debugging. Set breakpoints at files and lines or functions, and when necessary add conditions so you pause only on relevant cases. Once a breakpoint hits, use backtrace to see the call stack, info threads to pick the right thread, and print to examine variables. Make sure to step in, step over, and continue to navigate. This lets you isolate the faulty logic efficiently. You finalize by applying the code fix, recompile with debug symbols, and rerun the failing scenario under GDB to confirm the issue is resolved. If the bug is subtle, add watchpoints to see when a variable changes, or narrow breakpoints to a specific thread to handle concurrency. Make sure to clean up temporary breakpoints and rerun full tests. If GDB cannot attach or symbols are missing, check file permissions, container limits, and that the binary matches its debug symbols. This is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.